George from Creek Refrigeration. We put in some specialty equipment that True's making for residential now. Look at the light mode on that versus this mode. And then you can choose your mode by hitting your light button. And you can turn it off, you can turn it on. Also, it has alarms for if you want an alarm. It has colors, so you can choose the color you want it. So you go like that, then you wait to see the light color that you want, and then you can hit it, and it should stay. But this is the new True residential line of equipment. Look at that. Hey, thanks for watching. This is George at Cherry Creek.